Hey guys! So my last video, if you watched it, we went over checking your chain tension and adjusting it. Well, checking it, you have to use that funny little gauge and try and get it right, and it kind of varies because you're guessing 10 pounds of pressure. But once you get it right, and you're right on, don't you just wish there would be an easy way to check it? Before each ride, just something quick and simple. Well, I found it. It came up as an advertisement on Amazon, and I got it. And let me tell you, I love it. It is the BPA Racing Motorcycle Chain Slack Adjuster Tool. Now this thing is sweet. So it was $55 on Amazon. Comes with a nice pouch. Put it in and your tools because you have to calibrate it. And it's $55, but so it's a really simple, but it does so much. So what you do, and it's got these symbols on here. Try and get focus. So the notch, you line the notches up for the right tension. And if it's more this way, it's too loose. And if it's this way, it's too tight. So you calibrate these to the bike. So if you have multiple bikes, you're actually going to need multiple of these. But once you have your bike set up where you want it, you calibrate it. Okay? Let me zoom out here. All right. So once you have it, you take the middle piece, line it up with the middle of your chain, right? And so you put the top up, put the middle one on, and then you just pull this side up, bring it around and over, and look for the notches. Now I already calibrated this, so it's set right where my chain needs to be. If this notch was this way, it'd say it's too loose. If it was this way, it'd mean it's too tight. But we're right on where we want to be. So that easy, and I know my chain's good. Now, if you're wondering how you calibrate it, so once you have your chain set, okay, so you need to use your normal measurement strategy and whatever. And once you have it set, then you put this tool on just like we did, and you loosen this screw up, okay? Now, this is simple enough for me, but so you loosen this screw up, and you take the other provided wrench, and you twist this so the notches line up. And hold it there and tighten it down. Now, of course, you can use your own tools if that'll be easier. But you want this nice and tight so it doesn't move on you. Okay? All right. So right there. Now we're all lined up. We're calibrated. And now anytime I want to check my tension, I just got to use this tool. And take it off is the same. You just pop it down and good to go. I highly recommend it. I have a link in the description. Go pick one up. It is a game changer. I wish I had this many years ago. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you'd like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.